Hello! I have purchased a new accessory for my Harvest Right freeze dryer, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I got and give you my thoughts about it. Since I'm still new to the freeze drying world, I am slowly starting to build up accessories and supplies for my freeze dryer. When you purchase the freeze dryer, it comes with all of the basic needs to use your freeze dryer, but there are different accessories and things that you are going to want to have to make your freeze drying more streamlined, fast, and more productive for you. Okay, here's my new accessory. This is from Harvest Right. It is snap-on tray lid. This is something I have been wanting for quite some time, and I am so excited that we bought this. These tray lids can be purchased from the Harvest Right website, and I will have that linked in the video description below. I have a custom affiliate link where you can shop through and you can purchase your own accessories there. I really wanted these tray lids for when I am pre-freezing foods. I can easily stick the lid on the tray. They can even be stacked up with the lids on the trays that way, and I don't have to use my tray stackers. So I thought this would be very convenient to have. And there's also a perk that I will show you in just a second. If you see here on this box, I did not know this when I bought this. I didn't read it on the box, or I don't know. It says lids can be used as trays. I had no idea. So this is like a total 2-in-1 product, and I am super stoked about it. I am just going to open the box here, if I can do it one-handed. There we go. So here is how the tray lid looks. It's a clear plastic lid that it just sets on top of your trays. But how cool, it says you can use this as an actual tray. So I think I'm going to try that today. Okay, I got all the lids on the trays. You can see how it looks. And you can easily then, if you've got food in here that you need to pre-freeze, they can just stack on top of each other like so, and not take up too much room in your freezer that way. So that's a nice thing to have when you want to freeze things, but you don't want to just have it out in the open in the freezer, which is what I've done up until I got these. So I'm excited for this. The thing I'm most excited about is that you can use this as a tray. I had no idea. So I'm gonna try that out today in our video and let you know how that goes. Kind of exciting. And honestly, I was ready to purchase a second set of trays because I find myself in situations where I'm using my trays in the freeze dryer, but I also have other foods that I want to prepare to freeze dry that could be pre-freezing in the freezer, and then when this comes out, you can switch them out easily. So it just can make your freeze drying faster if you're using your machine a lot. Now I don't feel so rushed to purchase the extra set of trays because I can use this as a tray. That's awesome. So you're basically getting a 2-in-1 item. You're getting your tray lid, you're getting it so that you can stack them up in your freezer if you want to, and you are also getting an extra set of trays. So this is a total, so far, I'm definitely recommending this. I think it's gonna be great. I'll let you know my final opinion and review after I give them a run in the freeze dryer and just see how they hold up. I assume they're gonna be fine since that's what it is advertised for. Sorry, I keep flinging this around. It's like I got something to play with. Okay, so next, let's do a run in the freeze dryer with these. I am currently working on a custom order for someone in my community of lots of candy. So I am going to do a quick candy run with these new tray lids and see how those turn out. So I'm just gonna get us in candy mode by increasing the dry temp to 145. Sorry about the glare. Got my dry time set at 3.5 hours. I'm just gonna go up to 4. It's usually done a little bit sooner than that, but I've had good luck with 4 hours. I'm gonna hit start, and we have to wait the 15-minute cool down period. We are just gonna do an easy run of Skittles in these trays, just because I know these are easy. They don't stick badly or anything, so I think they're gonna do fine in these lid trays. I'm gonna get these loaded up right now. If you're curious, I get these bulk Skittles from Costco. I found that they just have a good deal on a large container of Skittles. I will also link where you can buy these on Amazon if you don't have a Costco near you, or if you just like the convenience of stuff being shipped directly to you. Amazon is the best. It's funny because here in Alaska, Amazon does not come next day. When I was in Phoenix, sometimes Amazon would come the same day, and it was amazing. But no, up here, you're looking out, I think 3 days is the fastest something is coming, but it's usually about a week before your Amazon stuff will get here. Christmas time, it was much longer than that. Because we live up here in the boondocks. I'll point out that with Skittles, you don't want them too overcrowded because they do stick together if you overcrowd the trays. I'm thinking this looks like it's gonna be fine. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to have them all stuck together, then they're harder to break apart and not as pleasant when they're all easily separated. Little tip. It's ready to get the Skittles into the freeze dryer. I'm going to close my drain valve and load these up. Those fit just fine. Can you press this on? Continue. I'm gonna skip warming the trays. I don't know if it matters with these plastic trays or not, but I'm just gonna skip that. And we're gonna freeze dry. I wanted to let you know that Harvest Right emailed me, and during the month of May they are offering their biggest discount of the year. This is the same as the Black Friday discount, I guess. $500 off freeze dryers. If you shop through my link, that would be greatly appreciated. If you've been seeing all the fun stuff I do with my freeze dryer and you've been itching to get one, now is the time during the month of May. I can't recommend it enough. It has been so fun, not only doing the candy, which I do a ton of, but also just the food preservation and the long-term shelf life that you get from any foods that you want. It truly is amazing. Can't recommend it enough. The reason why I'm doing this YouTube channel is to just help spread freeze drying love and to share it with as many people as I can, because I just think it's awesome. When you shop with my custom affiliate link, I do earn a small commission from any purchase that you make under my name, and that just goes to help support me and this channel and my ability to keep making these fun videos for you guys. So there's all that information. Candy is going. I will check back in when this is done and let you know how the tray lids held up for the freeze dryer. See you in a few. Welcome back. Freeze dryer is ready. Let's get these out and see how they looked on these new tray lids. It looks like these turned out awesome. Here are the Skittles. They look exactly the same as when I used the other trays. These lids held up perfectly. They totally did the job. I am super happy with this. Well, I think I can definitely say I love these tray lids. 100% totally recommend. think if you are looking for an extra set of trays but don't quite want to do that, this is a great option. It's kind of like a 2-in-1 accessory, which great money saver. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you learn more about this new accessory that I have. As I acquire more things, I will definitely make videos and share them with you and let you know my thoughts and if I think they are worth it. These ones definitely worth it. If you want a link to buy them, hit up my video description and I will have my affiliate link there. Once you click the link, it takes you to the Harvest Right website. You hit the little shop button, hit accessories, and you will find all the accessories. And you just select what size trays you have for those lids to make sure they fit the right size of freeze dryer that you have. Mine's a medium, so I got the medium ones. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. You can join me in all of my freeze drying fun here on DIY Freeze Dry. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. That just helps support my videos and my channel so I can spread all the fun to as many people as I can. Thank you so much. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.